Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. I am Payal Monga, your EVS teacher, and welcome to your EVS class. Okay, so as you all know that we are doing this chapter flying high, right? And in a previous video we have learned that every bird is special and different in their own way, right? So today we are going to discuss about their body parts and how they are special. So first of all we will discuss about that where we can find these birds. Okay, हम इन birds को कहाँ देख सकते हैं? So when you go outside and look around, you can see many birds, right? Some birds you can see on trees and on ground, in water, in the house or flying, right? So some birds are heavy in weight, so they cannot fly high. So we can see them on ground like peacock and hen, just because they are heavy so they cannot fly high. And some birds we can see on the trees or flying like sparrow, pigeon, crow. So all these birds we can see them flying around or on the trees, right? And some birds we can see in water like duck, गूज और क्रेन. ये जो बर्ड्स हैं हम इन्हें वाटर में देख सकते हैं. एंड सम बर्ड्स वी कैन सी दैम इन आवर हाउस ऑल्सो. कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिन्हें हम अपने घर में भी देख सकते हैं लाइक पिजन, क्रो, स्पैरो और पैरट. ओके, सो दीज आर द प्लेसेस वेयर वी कैन फाउंड दिस बर्ड्स. So now we are going to talk about their body parts, okay, like beaks, their feet or claws or their feathers. So these are the basically main parts of their body. So first of all we are going to talk about their beaks. So every bird has a special and unique beak, okay. Some birds have very small and sharp beak like sparrow, pigeon, so they can crush their food with their beak. And some birds have a very sharp and hook type beak like eagle, okay, so they can catch their food. And some birds like woodpecker, they have a very long and sharp beak, so they can make holes in the trees and catch the insects. And some birds like duck, they have very long and flat beak, okay. So all the birds have different type of beaks. Now we are going to talk about their feet and claws, okay. The claws of birds differ in size and shape. जो birds के claws होते हैं वो size और shape में एक दूसरे से different होते हैं, okay. So they help birds to catch, hold and eat their food. तो उनके फीट और क्लॉज उन्हें फूड को कैच करने में, पकड़ने में, उन्हें होल्ड करने में और उन्हें खाने में उनकी हेल्प करते हैं, ओके. बर्ड्स ईट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फूड. सो जस्ट लाइक देयर बीक एंड देयर फीट, देयर फूड इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट, ओके. सम बर्ड्स दे ईट ग्रेन्स और नट्स लाइक पिजन, स्पैरो, पैरट, okay. Some birds eat insects like woodpecker, and some birds eat other animals like eagle or vulture, okay. So birds eat different type of food. So now we are going to talk about their wings and feathers, okay. Their wings cover their body, they keep them warm and they help them to fly. जो उनके फेदर्स होते हैं उनकी बॉडी को वार्म रखते हैं, उनकी बॉडी को कवर करते हैं, और जो उनके विंग्स होते हैं वो उन्हें फ्लाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं, ओके. फेदर्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड डिज़ाइंस. बर्ड्स के जो फेदर्स होते हैं वो साइज, शेप और कलर्स में एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट होते हैं, ओके. लाइक पीकॉक हैज़ रेनबो कलर फेदर्स एंड पैरट हैज़ ग्रीन कलर फेदर्स and pigeon has grey color feathers, okay. So they are different from each other. So kids, now we have learned about the body parts of birds. So now let's continue our page number 54. Okay, so we have done this question. Now we are starting from here. Okay, now go outside and look for birds on trees, in water, on the ground, in and around bushes. तो अब आप बाहर जाइए और देखिए आप बर्ड्स को कहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, लाइक ऑन ट्रीज, on water, on ground, or in or around bushes. So these are the places where we can find the birds. Okay, how many birds could you see? अब बाहर जाओगे तो आप कितने birds देखते हो? Okay, in the table write the name of the birds and tick on the place where you saw them. If you do not know the name of any bird, then write how you would know it. Okay, so on page number 55 here is a table. Okay, so first of all you have to write the name of the bird. Okay, and after that you will tick that where you saw them. Okay, in water, on the tree, on the ground, in the house, or flying. Okay, so first of all we have write the name peacock. So where you can see this bird? We can see this bird on the ground, so we will tick here. Okay, on the ground, because peacocks are heavy in weight, so they cannot fly high. Okay, so here we will put a cross because peacocks cannot fly high. Okay, second is crow. So where we can see the crows? We can see them on the tree or flying. हम क्रॉस को ट्री पर देख सकते हैं और या हम उन्हें उड़ते हुए देख सकते हैं. Now number 3 is duck. So where we can see the ducks? In water. So here we will tick here in water, and we will put a cross here because ducks also cannot fly high. Number 4 is pigeon. So where we can find the pigeons? On the tree, पेड़ों पर, in the house, घरों में, और flying. So pigeons को हम पेड़ों पर देख सकते हैं, अपने घर में देख सकते हैं, और flying. So because pigeon make nest in the houses, so that's why we can see them here also. Now number 5 is hen. So where we can find this bird? On the ground. Okay, hens also cannot fly high, so here we are going to put a cross. Now let's continue. Have you ever noticed that different birds have different type of beaks? क्या आपने कभी ये notice किया है कि different birds के different type of beaks होते हैं? Given below are pictures of beaks of birds. Look at them carefully, identify the birds and write their names. So here are some pictures given and you have to identify them by their beak. Okay? So look at the first picture. Which bird is this? This bird is parrot. Parrot has a red color beak. Okay, and look at the second picture. Which bird is this? This is crow. Crow has a black body and black color beak. Now look at this third picture. Which bird is this? This bird is peacock. Okay, so peacock has a crest also on their head. Okay, now we are going to continue our page number 56. Okay, now look at this picture. Which bird is this? This is eagle. Eagle has a hook type beak and their beak is very very sharp. Okay, now look at this bird. Which bird is this? This bird is crane. Crane has a very long and flat beak. Okay, now here is an empty box for you, so you can draw your favorite bird and their beak. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको अपने favorite bird और उनकी beak को draw करना है. Now let's continue. Just as birds have different type of beaks, they also eat different type of food. So जैसे birds की different type of beaks होती हैं, उनके food भी different होते हैं. Okay, while some eat fruits, some eat seed, some eat eggs, some eat fish. तो कुछ भी बर्ड्स जो हैं वो फ्रूट खाते हैं, कुछ बर्ड सीड्स खाते हैं, कुछ बर्ड एग्स खाते हैं और कुछ बर्ड्स फिश खाते हैं. ओके, match the birds with their food. So here is a puzzle. Okay, so you have to make way for these birds to their food. Okay, तो आपको इन birds को अपने food तक पहुंचाना है. Okay, first you have to identify their food, which food they eat. Okay, so first of all, which bird is this? This is vulture. Okay, so vulture eat dead animals, right? So vulture will eat this. Here is a dead animal, right? Second picture is eagle. So eagle eats mice. Eagle जो है वो चूहे खाता है. So here we have to make way for eagle to his food. Okay, now third picture is woodpecker. Woodpecker eat insect from the trees. Okay, so here we have to solve this puzzle and make way for his food. Okay, and fourth is parrot. Parrot likes to eat green chilies. Parrots को जो है हरी मिर्च खाना बहुत पसंद है. So here you will draw the way for him to his food. And fifth is pigeon. Pigeon eat seeds. Pigeon जो है वो seeds खाते हैं. So you have to solve this puzzle and make his way to his food. Okay, so kids, this is your homework for today, that you have to complete these two pages, page number 55 and page number 656. Okay, in our next video we will continue our chapter. See you next time. Bye bye.